In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect the QuickBooks API to make.com so you can start automating your accounting workflows with ease. First, log into your make.com account and create a new scenario. A scenario is simply the workspace where you design your automation. So once it opens, you'll see a blank canvas ready to build on. Click the plus icon in the middle of the screen to add your first module, then search for QuickBooks. You'll see several QuickBooks modules you can use, such as options for retrieving data or creating records. Choose the one that fits what you want to do. Next, you'll need to connect your QuickBooks account. When you select the module, you'll see an option to create a new connection. Click that, then log into your QuickBooks account when prompted and grant make.com permission to access the data needed for your automation. This authentication step securely links the two platforms so they can work together. Once the connection is successful, you can start configuring your module, testing the scenario with sample data, and adding more modules if you want to expand your workflow. When everything looks good, simply save and run your scenario. And that's it. You've now connected make.com to the QuickBooks API and unlocked powerful automation possibilities for your business. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech guides.